Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam Edibos. Today I am making avocado salad, and this is one of the easiest and cheapest salad recipe you can ever think of. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please click the red button and be part of this family. So let's get started. I'll be using 4 avocados, 3 fresh tomatoes, 1 medium size of onion, and then salt to taste, 3 boiled eggs, vegetable oil, and boom, these are the few ingredients we are going to use for this easy recipe. Avocado is in season here in Ghana, and we are making good use of it. This fruit contains many minerals and vitamins, and the most exciting part is that it contains omega-3 fatty acid. And you know what omega-3 fatty acid does to our body? If you don't know, please do research on it. And when the fruit comes in season, please make good use of it, okay? Enjoy it to the fullest before it goes. This is just a secret, okay? So I'm just cutting into smaller pieces to my likeness, okay? Onions contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation. So it's always advisable to add this to your salad, not only avocado but any other salad that you are making, okay? Tomatoes too also contain antioxidant called lycopene, and it helps to reduce heart diseases. So it's always advisable to add those antioxidant things to your salad. It has a reason, okay? So always add it. The protein I'll be using for this salad is egg. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use sausage or beef. You can even use beans if you want, but I chose to use egg, okay? And I'm now seasoning my avocado with salt, just a little bit, okay? I don't like too much salt. And then go in with my vegetable oil. Please be careful because the avocado itself contains some amount of fat. And then my onions. And also my tomatoes. Rich but cheap avocado salad ever. On low budget, but it's very rich. It's gonna be rich though. Just stirring everything together. I'm doing it because of the salt, so I think it's okay now. So it's time for garnishing. You can see that I have removed the seed of the tomatoes, and that's the right thing to do because the seed may have some negative effect on some people. So to be on the safer side, please always remove the seed, okay? So garnishing with my eggs. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Trust me, I made this salad on very low budgets, but you can tell that my salad is rich, or is gonna be rich. voila, we are done. And there you go. It's not beautiful? So beautiful. Haha. Now let's give this a try. So I'm taking this one off first. You can use it to make your sandwich, your bread sandwich. You can enjoy it alone. You can eat it with rice. Anyhow you want to enjoy it, you are good to go. Okay, and it really tastes good. You are all invited. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Kansamita to all my Korea fans. Annyeong.